Whoa, welcome to Asher Learning Adventure.
And today we're doing
Ooshies surprise eggs. So cool. Let's open it up.
Whoa, yeah, so many different Ooshies, commons and rares that we could get. Let's see if we get lucky. Let's open the first one. Let's see what we get. Ooh, let's see what we got.
We got the limited edition.
Whoa, we got the limited edition, Ryan. We got so lucky. We got the limited edition on the first try. Whoa, limited edition, Ryan. What do we see? What is that?
A red cake, a red mask.
Ooh, and he has like a lightning in the mask too.
But I don't think so.
Yeah, look at that. Like a little golden lightning he got in there.
Oh yeah, he got a lightning in the mask.
Yeah, so nice. We got the limited edition. Whoa, let's go to the second one. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, what is that?
Red Titan, doo-doo-doo-doo. Red Titan, doo-doo-doo-doo. Whoa, we're so lucky we got Red Titan. I really like it. Yeah!
Red Titan. Look at that. We got the Red Titan, Ryan. Let's take a look at it in the box. We got Red Titan. Whoa, look at that. Red Titan has the lightning in the mask.
Yeah.
And what color are the boots?
Yellow.
Yellow boots and what else?
Shirt white.
And a red cape.
Yeah, and a red mask.
And a red mask. Ooh, let's see what we get on the third try. Ooh, let's see.
I want glow in the dark combo shirt, Ryan.
That's glow in the dark combo shirt, Ryan.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Glow in the dark Ryan with a combo panda shirt. So nice. Let's see if it glows in the dark. You think it glows in the dark?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at it. Whoa. Look at it right there. It glows so much.
Whoa, she's glowing so hard. Oh, she's glowing so hard. So green. Wow.
Look at them, 3 Ryans. We got 3 Ryans right there. Let's see what we get on the next one.
If we get Ryan to mommy, I don't know.
What is that?
That's titanium pet.
Titanium peg. Look at that. Titanium.
He's a rare.
He's a rare?
The limited edition is what is the limited which the limited edition is it a common or a rare?
It's a rare. What is that? Glasses on him?
Yeah.
Whoa, and a little like a bow tie.
He looks like sitting down.
Yeah, he's like sitting down. Whoa. That's so nice. Let's see. Ooh, we got 4. Let's see. Ooh, let's take this one out. Let's see
Let's see.
what we can get. Ooh, what is that?
Yeah, we can.
What is that?
Let's see what we can get.
What is that?
That's pirate glow in the dark Ryan.
That's pirate glow in the dark Ryan. Whoa. So nice. What is in the hat? What is that?
A sun.
Ooh, look how he glows. Look at that.
He's glowing really hard.
Yeah, he's glowing really hard. Look at that, super green.
You put it in the light and it glows really hard.
Yes, you put it in the light and then you turn off the lights and it glows really hard. Let's see what we get on this one.
We got red combo panda.
Red combo panda. Look at that, red combo panda.
I like red combo panda and all the characters else.
Ooh, and what is that in his head?
Headphones.
Headphones? Why? He's a gamer?
Yeah, cause he has something on his mouth.
Yeah, that's like a gamer set, headphone set. Ooh, nice.
He has something in his mouth.
Yeah, that's like the microphone from the headphone set.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that.
That's what he wants to buy headphones and microphone from the gaming.
Yeah, let's see. Ooh, what is that? Oh my god.
We got another one.
We got another combo panda. Oh my god. Twins. Look at that.
Combo Panda likes playing Roblox.
Oh, he like playing Roblox. Oh my god, we got twin combo panda.
With Ryan's brother.
Oh my god, let's see.
We got Titanium Sheldon.
That's Sheldon, Titanium Sheldon?
Yeah.
What is that, a rare?
Yeah, we got
Titanium Sheldon, look at that. He's a rare.
Last time we didn't get.
Oh my god, look at that. Look at his little tail. He looks like what? What does he look like?
A dinosaur.
He's like a dinosaur?
Yeah, he looks like a baby dinosaur.
Like a baby dinosaur. Oh my god, look at everything we got so far. Let's pick another one. Let's see. Ooh. What is that?
It's Titanium Gill.
Titanium Gill. Whoa. Titanium Gill. What is he? A rare?
Yeah.
He's so rare. Whoa, what is that in his head?
Headphones like Combo Panda.
He got headphones like Combo Panda?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Look at his back.
He has a bellow.
Whoa, we got Gil.
He has a bellow.
Yeah, he has a belt on. Let's see. Let's pop another one.
Stop.
Ooh, what is that?
We got.
What is that?
I think who is it?
What is that?
What is his name?
That's translucent Red Ryan.
That's translucent Red Ryan.
Yeah, he got like a lightning.
That's almost the same like the limited edition.
Yeah, do you think he glows in the dark?
No.
No, you don't think? I think so. Let's try it out.
No, I said no.
No, oh, you're right. Look at that. He doesn't glow in the dark. But the light comes through him though, and it looks really, really, really nice. Look at that translucent red Ryan.
If we get a different translucent Ryan, we will get that.
Oh, let's see if we get lucky. Let's give it a try. Ooh, what is that?
A Harry Potter!
What? How did that get in there? That's like a Harry Potter character. How did we get Harry Potter in a Ryan box? Look at that. We got a Harry Potter intruder. Oh my god. Do you like Harry Potter?
No.
Oh my god. We got this Harry Potter stuff and you don't like it. I don't even know who that is. Alright.
His name is somebody else.
Yeah, let's put it aside. Let's keep going. Alright, let's see what we get.
We got
who's that?
Titanium Alpha Lexa.
Ooh, Titanium Alpha Lexa. You like Alpha Lexa, don't you?
Yeah.
Ooh, Alpha Lexa. What do you like about her?
She looks like a cat.
She looks like a cat.
Yeah.
Look at her little ears. Ooh, so nice. Look at her tail.
Yeah, he's a big tail.
Yeah, she's a big... What?
A big tail.
A big tail. Whoa, Alpha Lexa. Look at everything we got so far. Let's see. Let's keep opening them up. Ooh. Woo! What is that?
That's the different translucent Ryan.
That's a different translucent Ryan?
Yeah.
What is that? Ooh.
He doesn't glow in the dark too.
Ooh, he got like a different shirt on.
But
look at both of them right there.
He doesn't glow in the dark.
No, but look, he got a different shirt. What does the shirt say?
Ryan's World.
Ryan's World, and the other one has the R.
Right.
Oh, they were so nice with translucent
We
ones.
got...
Shake it. Let's see, what is that?
We got Titanium Gus.
Titanium Gus. Ooh, Titanium Gus. Is he a rare?
Yeah.
He's so rare. Look at him right there. Ooh, and what is he? He looks like, I don't know what he looks like.
I got an alligator.
An alligator?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's like a baby alligator.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Ooh.
He's a really brother.
Ooh, an alligator. Gosh, whoa, from the rare ones. That Harry Potter thing, we're gonna put him aside. What, we're gonna leave him there? Oh, well. Alright, let's see what we can get.
Let's see, we can.
Ooh, what is that?
We got titanium Gale.
We got another titanium Gale. Oh my god. We got two. Two Gales, two combo pandas.
If we get two Dragon Ryans, we'll know.
Let's see what we get.
Oh.
Ooh, what is that?
That's Pirate Ryan.
Pirate Ryan.
He's not rare. He's common.
He's a common. He's not a rare. He should be a rare. He looks really cool.
But I think he's a common.
Ah, you like pirates?
Yeah, cause
We always go to like a pirate park.
yeah, cause
Look at that. Look at the big hat.
yeah, I always go to Legoland.
Yeah, let's pop another one.
Yeah.
Oh, what
We
is that?
got
What is that?
Dragon Ryan.
Dragon Ryan. Oh my god, look at that. Dragon Ryan. It's so cool. What is that suit? What can he do with that?
He can fly,
Ooh, he can fly?
and he's a common or rare.
He's a common. What is that song that you do?
Fly like a dragon, doo doo doo. Fly like a dragon, doo doo doo. Fly like a dragon, doo doo doo. Fly like a dragon wherever he goes.
Whoa, we got another one.
What?
We got two Dragon Ryans.
I know. I said we got two Dragon Ryans.
Oh my god, you guessed it. Two Dragon Ryans. Now let's take out the one in the box.
I want Ryan's. It also says Ryan's World.
Yeah, let's take them out. Let's see if you can take it out.
I'm trying my best.
Let's see. Pull it.
Try-
There you go. Whoa. What is that? Regular Ryan.
That's a regular Ryan.
Yeah, he got the shirt, the pants.
And also the hands.
Yeah, so nice.
And the head.
So nice.
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.